Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of the RAEART Show. I'm your host Darren Ray, and today we're gonna slap it down. You can see I'm using just yellow, blue, and white. So we're gonna start with those colors and see what's happening. We got a big canvas here. It's probably about 40 inches by 60. And we're gonna slap it down. So let's get out our paints. I've already went ahead and put some clean water. I'll show you the brush I'm using. It's a big brush. Big brush used for painting houses. You can get them at the dollar store. Dollarama has them. A couple bucks. They're good for big paintings. So we're gonna slap it down. I'm gonna dip into my yellow. Alright, we got the yellow going. We're just gonna flow it on. Alright. Already taken shape. So we do this, dipping back into my yellow. I don't know what I'm painting yet, I'm just kind of getting paint on the canvas. And that's how we get started. See what happens next as it comes alive. I will shape it and form it as needs be. Good. Looking good. If you want to get more of those drips happening, dip more into your water. I'm going into some white now. Gonna blend that yellow in with the white. Nice and soft here. There we go. We want those drips to happen. We like the drip. Okay. Well, we're running low on our yellow. So, I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the blue. Let's get some darker blue on here. Mix it with some white. Try to start seeing some images form here and then go with that. I'm seeing a bird, so I might make that happen. Seeing an eyeball over here. Maybe turn that into a face. Let's see. Let's see what the night brings us. And come across here. Just kind of blend it together. That's excellent. Alright, we're almost running out of our colors. It'll be time to add some new paint to the mix. I just want to get down some kind of a background here. That's all I'm doing. Dip into some water. So for anyone watching, I will be starting the new RAEART Show. And this might be in the first episode. We'll see how it goes with the lighting. Gotta get some new lights eventually. I'll get there slowly but surely. Okay. Well, we used up all that paint. There we go. Yeah, you just want to cover the canvas, and that's when the magic starts. This I call layer 1. Just add in some color, some shapes. Let it drip, let it do its thing. I love eyeballs, so I'm doing some eyeballs here. huh? Let's get some more drips happening. I like the drips up here. See the drips happening here? That's beautiful. Let's get this going. Get some drips down here. Oh yeah. So those are the three colors I used: yellow, blue, and white. And we're gonna take a break. And when we come back, we're gonna roll that time lapse. Alright, talk to you later. Storm's coming.
Start?
I can't remember how to flip the camera around, so
Doing right.
I'm forgetting how to use my equipment. Damn it.
This is from my recently published poetry book, Goddess Bursting Believes. Written from 1998 to 2000. I'll read the introduction for you. Near the end of 1998, I was subject to an intervention by my family, putting me in the mental hospital from strange behaviors, along with other harmful motives. It was a struggle at 21 years old, accepting that I needed help and that my thoughts weren't healthy. After a little over a month in the hospital, I was placed on medication after being told I had to take it or be forcibly injected. Seemed like a very harsh thing to deal with at such a young age. These poems started 1 week after I was released from the hospital on a journey I thought I'd never have to face. Outside brisk. First weekend from hospital in a month, and on the sidewalk next to road is a dead gray cat stiff. Next up the street is a squash squirrel, brown red stain on black gravel. I am still here, never go too far. Always here, sing for now, sing to the cow on the farmer's field, where bike crews by taking pictures and writing a book last spirit of summer.